hope that you're listening, 'cause it's true, baby. You'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do, yeah. So before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I wish that we could be just like before. I know you didn't give you so much more. I'm giving you all my love. I miss your smile, I miss your kiss. Each and every day I reminisce. But baby, it's you that I'm always dreaming of. Because you're gonna let me spend them all alone. And I know I got to face tomorrow on my own. But baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I hope that you're listening, 'cause it's true. You'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do, yeah. So before I let you go, I want to say it. Letting you go is never easy. I love you so, that's why I set you free, yeah. And I know someday, somehow, I'll find a way to leave it all behind me. Just God for me, Jesus, baby. Before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I hope that you're listening, 'cause it's true, baby. You'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do, yeah. So before I let you go, I want to say yeah. So before I let you go, I want to say I love you.
Okay, salamat po sa mga nag-claps. Salamat po. Tol PGM, ganda may na po.
Okay, so alright, so okay, ayan. Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Ahon! Ayan, magsiahon kayo! Sunog! Ayan, baka po magkarayuma yung mga finger ninyo. At pag may kakanta, pumalakpak kayo. Copy-paste nyo lang yung palakpak sa sinusulatan ninyo, then enter lang ng enter. Send lang ng send sa room. Kunwari, nasa room kayo. Pero sa totoo lang yes, pure-blooded. Kanina pa kita binabati Pure-blooded. Meet mo nga pala ang labs ko. Ang babaeng nagmamahal sa akin. At si Miss Yuri Torres. Ayan. At pinakikilala ko sa iyo si Miss Yuri Torres, ang aking bagong mahal at ang babaeng nagmamahal sa akin. Ayan po. Masaya to. Asar talo. Yan po ang nagpapabata sa akin. Si Miss Yuri Torres. Ayan. Mamaya magsisilipad na tayo. Welcome back po kay Bongs. At ang susunod po nating singer ay wala pong iba kundi si Mr. Isa. Isa, nasa ano? Nalaglag. Ano, mukhang nalaglag na si Isa. Ayan. Okay po at oo nga, talaga namang dapat kailangan everyday in love ka. Okay, Macho. Ay, wala na si Macho. Ayan. Okay, Miss Dinah, ikaw na po ang susunod na singer. Ayan. Okay, Miss Dinah, yep, ikaw na po. At Macho Nurin, Manchuchupa. Ayan. Okay, Miss Dinah, nasaan po yung uno? Tagal ng uno. Uy, ayun na si Isa. Nakapagwa na si Dinah. Sunod na lang kay Isa. Okay, Miss Miss Dinah, please type 1. Grab the mic.
Tao. Labas masok ka ngayon, Isa, Okay, TY. Para po sa inyo lahat. Masyadong mabilis. If I didn't accept your attention, I was taken in a hot dimension. I was trying not to let it show, and you were ready to let you go. From the way you came over to me, watching me die, you started through me. You let it baby, it's hard to hold it. You got the extraordinary way, got to be next to you single day. You do something that I just can't explain. Wanna take the chance and tell you what you want from me. Ooh, I love you so. Let's look in my eyes and tell you where you should go. Yeah. Ooh, I love you so. Tell you where you should go. I just want you to know. If you get me, not just gonna understand you. We could try to just a line. Turn upon the fire's mine. And fight and stop and fire and don't hold me and take me. Ganda.